We'll guide you through how to create a Google Sheets spreadsheet. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to sheets.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, you'll see a plus sign icon labeled blank at the top left. Click on this to start a new spreadsheet. Your new spreadsheet will open in a new tab or window. You'll see a grid made up of rows and columns, and you can start entering data directly into these cells. To give your spreadsheet a title, click on the default name Untitled Spreadsheet at the top left, and enter your desired title. This will help you find it easily later. If you need to format your data, you can use the toolbar at the top for options like bold, italics, text color, and more. You can also adjust the width of columns by dragging the lines between the column letters at the top. If you want to add more sheets to your spreadsheet, click on the plus sign next to the sheet tabs at the bottom. This is useful for organizing different sets of data within the same file. To share your spreadsheet with others, click the Share button in the top right corner. You can enter email addresses and set permissions for editing or viewing. Remember that Google Sheets automatically saves your work, so there's no need to manually save your changes. You can access your spreadsheet from any device by signing into your Google account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.